So it's a birthday girl. Anything that you want to say with your visitor?
Speech. Speech. Ganun lang.
I'm gonna upload this on Facebook.
No!
Yeah, I will. I like your headdress. Birthday wish.
Birthday wish. Wish you all happiness and
Who else wants to wish? Wish for faith. Sorry. Wish for faith.
Kasi naman bisita mo eh. Be more sweet and more beautiful.
Risa, speak up. Shut up, baga. She's really drunk. Yeah, wish. Speech for her. What's your wish for the birthday girl?
What's my wish?
Yeah. Say something. Say summit. Say summit.
Summit.
Come on. This is a recording.
Oh, is it? Oh, I thought it's just a picture. I hope that let's gonna be with my boyfriend next time.
Is this that fake?
For the 30th of January. And everything's gonna be okay. And we're just having a drink now.
Alright. Well, indeed. Okay. Here's my very, very handsome boss.
Eugene.
Oh, yeah.
Birthday wish for faith.
Well, once upon a time, that's it.
Once upon a time in China, ang mga buki nila ay mababaho.
It's gorgeous in it. Shut up. Say something.
Ano ba kayo? I'm very friendly kasi.
Oh, Maria.
You're overacting. Wish.
Okay, happy birthday. Ano sa po? Salamat sa invitation. All blessings to come and good health. We're rocking time tonight.
Yeah, we're having chillax. Okay, it's the band.
Run away with my heart. Run away with my heart.
What's your wish for the birthday girl? Your wish for the birthday girl. Say something. What's your wish for her? Wish. Yeah, say something.
I wish my best friend good health and
Tomorrow, this will be in Facebook.
good health and stable of life.
Alright, cool. How about you?
What?
You wish for her. Don't say hello to me.
Hello to you.
Birthday wish. Birthday wish.
Nag-wish magka-baby. Magka-baby na siya.
Girl, birthday wish. Birthday wish. Say something. Birthday wish. What? I'm going fast. Birthday wish.
Good health, world peace.
Huh?
Good health, world peace. That's all.
World peace.
Thank you.
Go. Hello. Can I disturb you? What's your birthday wish for the birthday girl? Say something.
More power.
More power?
Be a strong woman.
Birthday wish. Yeah.
Be like
More beautiful.
wiser and healthier this year.
Alright. I'm gonna talk to this man. Man! Hey!
Oh, that's a woman.
Sorry.
That's a woman.
What's your birthday wish for Faith? Say something.
Wish ko na yung wish niya matupad.
Alright.
I mean,
Sa Facebook to tomorrow. What's your birthday wish?
Wag na lang, kasi lahat na meron siya eh.
Say something! Francis, Hey Francis, what's your name? Hey Francis. What's your birthday wish for Faith?
Good health.
Huh?
Happiness.
We're drinking Carling. Chef, you.
For today.
Huh?
I don't know what to say, Faith. Faith. I don't know. It's just God bless and wish you all the best.
Alright, cool. It's 5 minutes now.
Walang ba kanino?
Boyfriend niya. Duwa na gani mo kabilog. Dugangan mo pa isa.
Good, she's stunningly beautiful. I like her dress.
Thank you.
Birthday wish naman.
Tapos tayo kanito.
Good health.
Naman yan. Tapos tayo.
Hindi nilain mo daw si Francis.
Ay, pakilaan mo na.
Cheers!
Umilain mo na si Francis.
Francis, come in.
Ilain mo, Francis. Francis, oh. Francis.
Don't be stubborn, baby.
Noon, siya naman.
Pupunta. Francis! Hayako, stay to the side.
Francis. Ay, I'm sorry. Gabi.
Hi, Francis.
Nilain daw kita.
Francis, what's your birthday wish?
Good health.
Ay, kadan.
Ayan na, ilain mo na.
Do you fancy
Ilain mo
that?
na. Ilain mo naman,
Yung dalawa sila para mahila niya.
Ikaw talaga ate. Alam mo naman.
Alam mo naman, virgin pa.
Hindi kasi pinapatawag ka eh.
Ang haba? 7 minutes na ba?
Hindi naman ka-friend eh. Hindi naman ka-friend eh.
Hello, people. Are you having fun?
Ay, jealous.
Charing lang. We're friends.
Ano na yung pinapuno?
Girl, ano ka ba? Charot lang yun. Hindi ako sa
Salamat sa pagpunta. I love you all.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Alright. Cool.
Hello sa mga taga-Iloilo. Best friend kami.
Ate, say something. Why not?
Sabihin mo yung gusto mo sabihin sa akin. Happy birthday.
Kahit Tagalog, it's alright. Bisaya, will do? Sige no.
Kuya.
Sa Facebook na to.
Leslie, Lani.
Ate Jen. Marilyn.
Where's your boyfriend? Where's your boyfriend?
Birthday downstairs.
Birthday wish.
Going downstairs. Excuse me. What's your birthday wish for your girlfriend?
Birthday sex.
What? Birthday wish. Okay.
Good health po.
Kuya.
Having a good shot tonight. Not with me, with him.
You're funny. Okay.
Actually, she's not an Iglesia ni Cristo. Even red flag will do. Red flag will do.
Ikaw, Mike. Michael.
Good weather. And
5 minutes.
Ay, good weather.
Alright. Thank you. Bandan.
Birthday wish.
Ikaw ang huli.
He wants to have a shout picture.
Anong wish mo sa akin na lang? Ay?
Uy! Secret nyo na lang daw. Ano? Secret nyo?
You already said it. Did you repeat it?
Good health.
Okay na.